Hi guys. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, again, your favorite producer, Jeffrey PZ. Yeah, today I'm going to show you how you can make a hip hop beat. You know, yeah, simple hip hop type beat on FL Studio. Yeah, so I just play 10 patterns in this beat as you hear. Yeah. So I have few things here. Just play and I'll show you how I made it. You know, yeah. So without wasting my time, so let's go to my first things. Yeah, side play classic, science, since black classic was the first instrument I play from purity, and come to mobile since black, you can get it, and in this cutoff, I just play it to 50%. I just make it to 50% and then make my delay and the reverb on, because I just prefer to use a reverb from plugin itself. So my melody sound like this one. Woo! Simple like this one. After that, I play this is synth bass, from Citrus. Synth bass, it sounds good like this one. And my bass, as usual, just add this with compressor from the stock effect, and say. For that, I play this violin from morphine. Yeah, just play simple like this one. Yeah, simple like this one. For that, I play another violin. I just duplicate it, but I play in another melody, but one instrument. It sounds like this one. Yo, after that, in my melody, I add this quiet piano, yeah, quiet piano. Just play my chord progression, so it sounds like this one. Yeah, so to get this sound, I just add a half time on it, half time, and I just play in one bar, visit one bar, and I put it in 40%. So I like this sound. It's not good as you hear. Wow. Yeah, nice. So my melody are over. So let's jump to my drums. My drums that is starting with hi-hat. Yo, hi-hat. After hi-hat, I play rolls, hi-hat rolls. Yeah. After that, I play clap. After clap, I play this one kick pattern. Ooh. Yeah, so I like the sound, you know. Yeah, so when you take it, sound good. This kick pattern. So I can add one here. Wow. Yeah. So as usual in my drum bass, I get drum bass here, and I add this one, and I also go to trap drum preset. So I like the sound of this one. So if you don't have, you can be find me in WhatsApp or email, then I send it to you. Okay, so after that I arrange my beat already here. So let's hear my drum when we combine it together. We combine my drum together, sound like this one. Wow. So let's hear from the scratch what I have prepared. I have cooked, you know. Yeah, so thank you for watching. My name is Jeff Oxatizi. We'll meet in another tutorial. So this is what time to enjoy and enjoy.